10 beautiful French words you need to know. Did you know French has some of the most beautiful words in the world? Here are 10 you'll love. L'amour, love. L'amour est partout. Love is everywhere. Dépaysement, the feeling of being somewhere completely new. Voyager en France, c'est le dépaysement total. Traveling in France is a complete change of scenery. Éphémère, short-lived. Les fleurs sont éphémères. Flowers are short-lived. Douceur, gentleness or softness. J'aime la douceur de cette musique. I love the softness of this music. Rêverie, daydream. Je suis perdu dans ma rêverie. I'm lost in my daydream. Soleil, sun. Le soleil brille aujourd'hui. The sun is shining today. Plaisir, pleasure. C'est un plaisir de vous rencontrer. It's a pleasure to meet you. Frisson, a shiver or goosebumps. Cette chanson me donne des frissons. This song gives me goosebumps. Insouciance, carefreeness. Les enfants jouent avec insouciance. The children play without a care. Sérénité, serenity. Je cherche la sérénité. I'm looking for serenity. Which French word is your favorite? Let us know in the comments and follow for more French lessons.